Understanding Add to Registry, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but widely used phrase, add to registry. If you've ever shopped online or planned for a big event, you might have come across this term. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday contexts. The phrase, add to registry, refers to the action of adding an item to a list known as a registry. A registry is a list of items that someone has selected, usually for a special occasion like a wedding, baby shower, or housewarming. When you add an item to a registry, you're indicating your desire or plan to obtain that item, often as a gift from someone else. This term is commonly used in online shopping platforms and department stores. There are various types of registries, each serving a unique purpose. The most common ones include wedding registry. Couples list items they wish to receive as wedding gifts. Baby registry. Expecting parents list items needed for their newborn. Housewarming registry. Individuals or families moving into a new home list household items they need. Understanding the context in which add to registry is used can help clarify its meaning and purpose. Using add to registry is typically straightforward. On a website or in a store, you'll find an option to add an item to a registry. Here's how it usually works. 1. Select the item. Choose the item you wish to add. 2. Click Add to Registry. This option is usually a button or link near the item description. 3. Manage your registry. You can view and edit your list anytime. Remember, adding an item to a registry doesn't mean you're buying it. It's more like making a wish list. Let's look at some practical examples to better understand this phrase. I found the perfect set of dishes for our new home and added them to our housewarming registry. Our friends are getting married, so I checked their wedding registry and chose a gift to buy for them. These examples highlight how add to registry functions in real-life scenarios. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and use of add to registry. It's a useful phrase, especially in the context of gift-giving and planning for special occasions. Remember, language learning is all about understanding these small but significant details. Keep practicing, and you'll master English in no time. See you in the next video.